Alrighty, day 2 of the Ford Ranger passenger rocker panel repair patch job. So, on day 1, I covered on how to find the rust. So now with day 2, I formed the patch. That's what I'm going to be using here. I cut it up. It's a rough patch. But and the patch is just going to go right here, as you can tell. And I'll be welding it in. Spot welding it. And there is a slight curve here that I had to put in, a slight little bend right here to accommodate this curvature right here on a slight radius. So I put that in a vise, and you might be able to see my little guidelines slightly. But prior to putting the patch in, I'm going to just take off all this old paint a little bit here on the edges. Okay? I'm using a 36 grit, flat disc on a 4.5 inch angle grinder. So here we go. I'm just going to prep the metal surface a little bit. This is mostly when I go ahead and throw on some primer and vinyl filler. So I have something to adhere to. Just quickly stuffing the surface. Because I'm going to repaint this area a little bit as well. Alrighty, so area's been prepped. Ready to spot weld. I'm gonna cut it and cut it in. And it's just gonna sink right in. You'll see that on the next subsequent videos. If you're just hanging with me here, folks, great. It's just a process that I've been working on. And it's easier than trying to match up a hole with the metal. I just cover over and then just cut it in. All right. So with all that being said, Get yourself a little angle grinder, and you'll be good to go. Okay, this is Ablecraft with the learning vehicle. Ford Ranger 3.0 liter 4-wheel drive. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good Ablecraft day.